Blackview Cloud is one of the best ways to get the most out of your cloud-compatible Blackview dashcam. In this video, we'll go over some of the key benefits that you'll enjoy with Blackview Cloud, as well as share some tips to get you started. We understand that life means you're not always near your vehicle. With instant notifications, you will be notified the moment your car receives an impact. Then use Remote Live View to get a real-time look through the eyes of your dashcam. Event Auto Upload means that your Blackview will automatically upload event videos to the cloud for safekeeping. You'll also be able to browse through your video files as well as adjust your dashcam settings remotely. Now that we've covered some of the key benefits of Blackview Cloud, here's what you need to get started. First, be sure that you have a Blackview cloud-compatible dashcam. To check the list of compatible models, go to blackview.com/cloud. Next, you'll need a way to connect your Blackview to the cloud. Depending on your model, you will have the choice between using a third-party external Wi-Fi hotspot, a Blackview connectivity plug-in module, or a standard SIM card. In either case, you will need an active data plan. Setting up Blackview Cloud for your dashcam is easy. First, create a Blackview Cloud account from the Blackview app. Once your account is confirmed, you will need to register your dashcam to the Blackview Cloud server by scanning the QR code located on your dashcam's box or on the sticker under the mount. Next, connect your dashcam over Wi-Fi by making sure the power is on and Wi-Fi is active. On your phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to your dashcam. Now you can go to the Blackview app's Wi-Fi menu to configure how the dashcam will connect to the cloud. If you are using a dashcam with a built-in SIM card reader or cloud connectivity module, tap the SIM card settings menu icon. If you are using a third-party Wi-Fi hotspot, tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Then tap Firmware Settings, Cloud, and finally Cloud Service Hotspot Settings. Be sure to save the changes when prompted. The Blackview will then reboot to apply the settings and connect to the cloud automatically. Now you're all set up to enjoy the benefits of Blackview Cloud. For more information, go to blackview.com.